independent and honorable judiciary is vital to our society in America. Courts protect our rights, and without rights, we would have no freedom. Let's explore the U.S. courts and learn a little bit more about the establishments that maintain our freedom in the U.S.
First, let's start off with why courts exist to begin with.
Many other people have opinions about what is right and what is wrong, but only the judiciary can certainly determine this.
Some types of court cases are corporation versus corporation,
government versus corporation,
civilian versus corporation,
government versus civilian,
and of course, civilian versus civilian.
All of these examples and more are handled by the judiciary. The judiciary is vital to our country as they are the ones who interpret and make decisions regarding the law. A judge's job is no walk in the park. Oftentimes, citizens of the United States do not realize the vast amount of responsibilities a judge takes in one day. A judge must remain impartial at all times so that verdicts can remain as fair as possible. They must make sure home life never reaches the courtroom. Justices must know the law inside and out so that they can accurately reach a verdict in every case they encounter. Furthermore, judges must always portray themselves with poise and decorum. Without our court system, our world would be in turmoil.
Why should we realize how important courts are?
According to David Boyce, co-chairman of a commission formed by the American Bar Association, the justice system funding has been decreasing in constant dollars for at least 2 decades.
What this means is the less funding we get to keep our courts running, the more our freedom will be unprotected. Conclusively, if we want to keep justice and freedom, America must keep the courts active.
You may have the idea that getting rid of courts would not be a detriment to society, but courts are the most visible part of our legal system. Each year, about 7 million new cases are filed to be disputed in the U.S. It is through these cases that courts influence our lives in many, many ways. We hope you have enjoyed learning about our nation's courts. We hope you now have a clearer picture of why our judiciary is so important in this country. Always remember, no courts, no justice, no